Hello user, today I will be introducing to you H.I.T. It stands for Hash Integrity Tool. Let us begin. First, if you wish to have a preset of hashes that you want to compare a folder against, you must make a preset first. We will be doing that now. The name of this example will be test. I will then choose a verification folder that I wish to make the preset from. I will be choosing this folder. As you can see, the verification folder here has changed. You also get a notification of what the verification folder has been set to. As for what this folder contains, I will show you now. It contains these files, which contains this data. Hello state contains hello state text. Hello world contains hello world text. Inside this nested folder, 1 contains hello 1. 2 contains hello 2. That is the folder that we will be creating this preset from. So now we will create the preset. When the preset has been created, you will be left with this message here. It tells you the preset name as well. And you can see the files that the preset used to create the preset inside the log. We will clear this log now. As for the metadata that was generated when that preset was created, I will open the metadata. This shows you the hashes that were gotten during this preset. I showed you 4 files earlier, and you can see 4 different hashes, as well as other data that you may find useful. Now that we have created a preset, I can use that preset when verifying folders that contain files. First, I will show you an example of a verification that passes. Then I will edit the files and show you a verification that fails. Our verification folder is currently set to the test folder. As you have noticed throughout this demonstration, I have not changed any data inside that folder, so this verification should pass. You can also see the presets inside this drop-down menu here. These presets get saved whenever you create them, so when you close the application, you can always come to this drop-down menu to view the presets of which you have made inside the past. When you select a preset here, the preset name will change here to the preset that has been selected. Now I will verify this test folder against this preset. As you can see, all files passed verification because I have not edited them. Now I will show you what it would look like if that test failed by purposely editing one of the files here. I will edit hello world text. I will remove the D from hello world into hello world. Save. Now I will try to verify again, and you'll see one of the files did not pass the verification. Files that failed verification, hello world text. That is because I edited that hello world text by removing one of the characters, D. As for the metadata that was generated during those 2 comparisons, the first comparison resulted in a hashes that failed verification count of 0. The second verification resulted in a set of hashes that failed verification count of 1. That is how H.I.T is used. You create a preset from a current folder's state. So inside the future, you can test a folder's data to make sure that it contains nothing more and nothing less, and the data that is there is correct. That is the significance of H.I.T. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.